Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk about bugging out faster. Like not in theory, not in extremes, just in real life. And I thought, let's talk about it because every time there's a wildfire, a storm, or an evacuation order, the same thing happens. People don't fail because they panic. They lose time because they're forced to make basic decisions under pressure. So first, let's clear something up though, and it's really, really basic. So I'm sure you all are aware of this, but I'm going to talk about it anyways. There's a time to bug in, and then there's a time to bug out. Bugging in means your location is still safer than the alternatives. Bugging out means staying put adds risk. So most problems don't come from choosing wrong. They come from not thinking through either option until the clock is already ticking. So if practical preparedness like this matters to you, we have built a platform, and this platform is called preppingcommunities.com. It's where people compare notes, they share what they're seeing locally, and they talk through plans before they're under pressure. It's where connection, preparation, and sharing happen, and membership to our platform is free, so I welcome you to join us. Okay, all right. When people talk about evacuating, they love numbers, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, grab and go. But in reality, speed comes from, I think, removing friction, not rushing. So the first friction point, in my opinion, is outdated gear. So a lot of people will pack a bag once and never touch it again. But seasons do change, medications always expire, kids grow, and pets need different things. It's not theory, it's just that's where time gets burned, not during the drive, but before you even leave the house. So keeping gear is not about obsession, it's about not discovering problems when the stress is already high. So make sure that your bug out bag is up to date. Next is the vehicle plan. You don't need a full tank every single day, but you do need to have a fuel plan. So know your minimum, knowing how far that will actually get you, and not trying to figure it out for the first time during an emergency. And same goes for what lives in the vehicle year round: water, blankets, navigation, basic tools. Nothing fancy, just fewer unknowns. And if you plan on moving bulky items like generators, extra fuel, gear, you should already know that loads, how that loads and what fits, because guessing will just waste time. And then there's the coordination, like the people, the pets, your animals. Dogs, they usually cooperate. Cats, they don't. So you need to know where your cats hide and how you'll get them when it matters. And then livestock obviously takes even much more planning: trailers, routes, timing. That's not something you improvise successfully. For sure, I don't have livestock, but I wouldn't want to improvise if I was forced to. So it's not about perfection, but it is about avoiding avoidable chaos. And then another common slowdown is the bulk supplies. So like your food, your water, medical gear scattered around the house turns into confusion super fast. And if you have labeled grab ready bins, that will solve the problem. And then finally is like, where are you going? Like, where are you actually going to go? On our platform, we provide interactive maps, including best bug out places maps. So to help people think through routes, terrain, distance from population centers, access to water, and backup options. Some maps, they show specific locations. Others highlight broader areas, places to avoid, or safer zones, depending on the situation. Some change slowly, others update frequently. They're planning tools, they are not promises, but if used properly, they shorten decision time and reduce bad surprises. So bugging out faster, it's not about urgency, it's about preparation, showing up when it matters, and when your gear is current and your plans are thought through and destinations aren't a mystery, people move decisively, not frantically. And this is why we have built our platform. Again, it's about connecting, preparing, and sharing, and bringing people together who take readiness seriously and want to learn from each other before they're forced to. And again, membership is free. So I'm going to leave you with this. What is one friction point that you have already removed or could remove that would make leaving cleaner and calmer if you ever had to? Please drop it in the comments below, because someone else may not have thought about it yet, including me. And I just want to say thanks so much for spending a few minutes with me today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a future video. It really does help our channel grow and gets the word out to the people who need it most. Okay, thanks so much, and I will see you in the next one.